If your RoboVac 11s isn't working right, or you just want to give it a fresh start, here's a quick guide to resetting it. First, turn off your RoboVac by flipping it over to find the power switch. Slide it to the off position and leave it for about 3 minutes to allow a full discharge. This ensures the internal circuits reset properly. Once you've waited, flip the RoboVac over again, slide the power switch back to on, and place it on its charging dock or a flat, clear surface. Make sure it's stable so the sensors and wheels are not obstructed. If your remote isn't responding, remove the batteries, reinsert them, and ensure the remote is paired correctly with your RoboVac. This simple step often resolves connection issues and avoids unnecessary troubleshooting. For a full factory reset, power on the RoboVac, then press and hold the start or pause button for about 10 seconds. When you hear a beep, release the button. This restores all settings to factory defaults, erasing schedules, cleaning modes, and custom configurations, so you'll need to set them up again if you had any saved. After the reset, test your RoboVac to ensure everything is back to normal. If problems persist, check for blockages around the brushes, wheels, or dustbin, and make sure the sensors, especially the front cliff sensors and bumper, are clean and unobstructed. A quick wipe with a soft cloth can often fix minor issues. Finally, if your RoboVac still isn't functioning properly after all these steps, contact Eufy support. They can guide you through advanced troubleshooting, firmware updates, or arrange a repair or replacement if needed. Regular maintenance, like cleaning brushes and sensors, checking wheels, and keeping the charging dock area clear, can prevent most common issues and keep your RoboVac running efficiently for years.